Have you ever tried doing zucchini rice? This is a really simple and easy recipe that you can do as a one-pot meal, and you can freeze this too. When it is the season, you can create things like this to eat zucchini in different ways. I have 4 zucchini, 1 stem leek, few celery, 1 onion, garlic, few bay leaves, 1.5 cups of rice soaked. When you use rice, make sure you wash it few times. And I'm using a short grain rice that comes from Sri Lanka. If you want, you can use basmati or even long grain rice, jasmine rice, or even medium grain rice. A teaspoon of stock powder, or instead of using water, you can add stock water directly. Using about, for 1.5 cups, I always add 2.5 cups of water, 3 tablespoons of whipping cream. I'm going to add the cream at the end because when you cook, if you add cream, it can burn. And salt and pepper to taste. I have Parmesan cheese. I'm going to grate some. This is optional. If you want to get extra flavor, then add some Parmesan cheese too. So let's start doing it. Let's cut the vegetables first. Onion. Then the garlic. And I forgot to show you the chili, that this is my weakness. I always add a chili in every recipe, that I like a bit of zing in it. So add the garlic. Then the chili. Now celery. Now the leek. And grate the zucchini. Add some oil into a pot. Add the onion and the garlic. Stir fry until tender. Once it is tender, add the celery and the leeks with the bay leaves. And stir well. Cook about 2-3 minutes. When it is soft, add the stock powder and the salt and pepper and stir well. And then into that, going to add the zucchini. Zucchini will give extra water. It doesn't matter. I'm going to cook only 1 minute. After a minute, add the rice into it. In this recipe, if you can do 2 ways. You can add less rice and more zucchini, or less zucchini and more rice. It depends on how you like. So mix it well. And going to switch it off. And I have this casserole dish that I use in the oven. It's a cast iron one. So you can cook directly, but I can't do the video, so I cooked in the other pot. And going to add the rice into this and stir well, spread it evenly and add the water. I'm going to put this in the oven and cook it in the oven about 45 minutes to 1 hour on 160 Celsius. If you are using fan forced oven, you need to switch on to 140. It's ready. Cover, and this goes to the oven. So I cooked this about 45 minutes, and this is how it is. So the rice is well cooked, and mix it well and add the cream and mix again. And now into that I'm going to add the Parmesan cheese. You can add any other cheese as you wish to. And if you like, you can cook this back again in the oven if you are going to keep it longer. If not, you can serve it as this is. And hope you will enjoy this. This is a really nice one pot meal that you can serve this as a vegetarian dish or a side dish or as a main, or you can serve this with some meat too. Hope you will enjoy. See you next time.